Welcome to this CAD Line video showing you CadSHARE, the AutoCAD to SharePoint integration toolset. CadSHARE is a plugin tool for AutoCAD allowing you to store, retrieve, update and manage all your organisation's AutoCAD drawing files within your SharePoint repository. The CadSHARE ribbon is available as a menu at the top of AutoCAD. The Open button provides a search tool allowing you to type a full or partial file name to quickly search for any AutoCAD drawing in your SharePoint system. Once you've found the file, choose Open and the drawing's loaded into AutoCAD. Using the CadSHARE ribbon, you can then check out the drawing file so it's editable by you and read-only for all other users. Make your changes to the file and then at the end of the day, simply check in the file to write it back to SharePoint. The check-in process uses a version control system where each file is incrementally versioned and comments can be added to changes you've made. CadSHARE ribbon also provides a properties button which will allow the user to view and edit the properties of any AutoCAD drawing file, enabling them to ensure the metadata within SharePoint is kept up to date. Utilising the version tool again, users can view existing and previous versions of the same AutoCAD drawing, choosing if required to even roll back to restore any previous versions of the file. The CadSHARE Insert Block tool allows the user to easily find any file within your SharePoint repository to then insert that as a block in their existing AutoCAD drawing. The CadSHARE Attach XREF tool allows the user to easily find any file within SharePoint to then insert that as an XREF in their existing drawing file. Finally, CadSHARE is fully supported with an online user guide providing details on all the tools available in the CadSHARE ribbon.